Welcome back to the channel, Moda family. Now, to get straight into it, we have all seen Bitcoin running up over the past few weeks. The crypto market has been slow and extremely slow the past, few weeks and months, but Bitcoin has been gaining momentum. Now, the crypto market could explode in the next few days, and weeks. And here's why. So, for starters, the US spot ETFs are scheduled to hit 1 million Bitcoin held by next week and pass Satoshi by mid-December. Now, this is crazy. The US ETFs are accumulating about 17,000 Bitcoin a week. And we can see that now, among the top Bitcoin holders, BlackRock is the third. The third, man. The rate at which BlackRock is accumulating Bitcoin is insane and it's crazy. I mean, we have seen that BlackRock has been going on a crypto run, at least accumulation run over the past, 8 months or so. But it's now the third among the top Bitcoin holders. And that is because of ETFs. I mean, again, ETFs are exchange traded funds, making it easy for, a normal stock trader or, any guy at Wall Street to actually participate in the Bitcoin market, right? Or the crypto market, so to speak. So, a lot of volumes have been coming through ETFs, and to the point that we see about 17,000 Bitcoin are being accumulated by the US ETFs, specifically US spot ETFs, right? And this is crazy. We're seeing that, the Bitcoin ETF is now the fifth most traded ETF. I mean, it's having over $2 billion of volume as of 1:30 on, October 29th, which was when this data was gotten. So this is already crazy as it is. Now, of course, there are, a bunch of, ETFs. There's the NASDAQ ETF, Russell ETF, but then there's the Bitcoin ETF, which is recent. The crypto ETFs in general have recently been approved and they're getting significant volumes. We are seeing the market really being impacted by ETFs. Now, not immediately. When the ETFs were approved, we all thought that the market was going to pump up. But, for the most part, we were all disappointed. But again, this is a long-term impact. And now is when we're getting to see that. Now, look, as of March, Bitcoin was at 71,000. And the Coinbase app was ranked 20 on the App Store. Now, today, again, Bitcoin has been going up. It went up to 71,000. And at that time, the Coinbase app was ranking 482. What does that mean? Well, that means that, the price is exactly the same, yet retail isn't back. Retail isn't back yet, but the price is the same. We're not hearing a lot of FOMO around crypto, but the Bitcoin price is going crazy. It's insane, and the question is now, how much higher could we go? We haven't seen a lot of the crypto FOMO yet, but Bitcoin has, neared its all-time high, and it's going higher. We're in election season. There's definitely going to be a lot of volatility, but this election season is going to, impact the crypto market immensely. So we're seeing that this, as of the time this video was recorded, this is the Bitcoin price. It's at 70,000, right? Now, Bitcoin is almost at the same level it was back in March. Again, when the Coinbase app was ranked 20, when we were starting to see a lot of FOMO in crypto. Now, back in March, when Bitcoin was at 70, 72, 73,000, the fear and greed index was crazy. 92, which means there was a lot of interest, a lot of FOMO was getting into the crypto market. Right now, the fear and greed index is 59. And guess what? Bitcoin is almost at its all-time high. So retail isn't here yet. Bitcoin is doing good price movement. What's going on? So, you could have asked yourself, why hasn't the altcoin market, gone significantly up or followed the same Bitcoin trend? Why? Typically, what tends to happen is Bitcoin tends to go on a run and Bitcoin tends to gain dominance, after which the altcoins follow through, right? Right now, Bitcoin is gaining dominance, and its current dominance levels are 59%. Now, back in the previous bull run, Bitcoin rallied and gained dominance of up to 70%. Then we saw the altcoins also starting to, shoot up. Bitcoin is gaining dominance. Soon after, we are going to see a lot of altcoins as well, doing crazy. So, we may not see the percentage as high as it was previously. Why? Because, the altcoin market is now very, very congested. There's a lot more altcoins and, shit coins, meme coins than there were in the previous bull run. So there's a lot going on in the altcoin market, but nonetheless, there are some good ones. And so we will see some of them doing significantly well. So guess what? Bitcoin is doing almost its all-time high. Retailers aren't here yet. There is no significant FOMO happening in the crypto space. Fear and greed index is 59. So what does that mean for a trader? Well, you could consider this a good time to put a little bit more into the crypto market. And I emphasize, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. This is not financial advice in any way. Now, to move forward, what does that mean for the basic trader, the average trader, the day trader? Well, these are good signals. These are signals that would make me think, and specifically about when is the right time for me to put in something. And there are different strategies you could use. You could dollar cost average just to mitigate that risk a little bit. But this is really interesting, and the crypto market, based off this data, is possibly going to explode. Well, thank you for staying to this part of the video. If you like the video, please share the video to someone you think it will be of worth to. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Till the next video. Cheers.